There's a whole process of how we're going to get the voice AI set up. What basically we're doing is when we get started here, we're going to figure out what kind of bot we're trying to build. So we have 3 different types of bots. And you'll see here that we have the ability to do more than one bot at once. This is for both inbound and outbound. So I'm going to show you how this whole thing works. It's very unlikely that you would have more than one bot because these all kind of do the same thing in a different way. Let's go through the appointment confirmed. How this works is we're going to make sure that the right person on the right calendar and the right location is getting assigned the right jobs and they're available. The first thing that we would do is create your client key. Let's say it's Nonstop Automation and this is the display name. Now what's happening here? This is going into our database. We use Mongo. This is going to be the key for how the AI finds everything. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put in your CRM. So we'll put in Leap. Let's say we're in Eastern. We're going to put in the GHL API key, which I'm going to do here. And now we just need one more thing from GHL, which is going to be the location ID. So we will put that in right here. Now what we need to do is we need to get all of the jobs that you offer and we want them to be precise. So the way we do that is we'll put in your API key and we'll just pull the jobs that you have set up. I'm going to put in here the Leap API key. I'm going to sync all of these GHL custom fields. Essentially, while the AI is talking to your customer, we're going to gather all sorts of information and they're all going to go into those custom fields that we just synced. So those custom fields were just synced, but they're blank with your particular ID so that everything is nicely sorted in your database. Now we can say you are a roofing company and we will now select the services. Right here is the API that's bringing in all of the jobs that this client has in their Leap account. We don't always have to do that. We could select all of these jobs and click done. And then you'll see here on the services offered, this matches up exactly with what your CRM says. But let's say you're using another system that you don't need to do that for. What we could do, we could add them in manually. Estimate quote, general install. I'm just adding a bunch of random things. Now we need to figure out how we are going to segment the calendars, because what we want to make sure that we're doing is that the right people on your team are on specific calendars that are dedicated for specific services and specific locations. So we have to set up a bunch of different calendars. What we'll do first is we will add a calendar. Let's call this tile, and then we don't have to worry about this right here because this is going to get populated automatically right after we submit this. The next thing we need to do is we need to figure out what's going to go on the tile calendar. Tile, probably the right service. And now we have one calendar called tile that offers one service. Now we need to figure out your service area. So there's a few different ways we can do this. We can do it by zip code, we can do it by geofencing, or we can do the advanced polygon. This is what we recommend. Let's go on the map. So now what we would need to do is we need to declare what the location is going to be of this calendar. And this is pretty cool because we're not dependent on zip codes and we can really make exactly what the service area is. We can say that it goes from here to here, say to here, and then here. Now we have our service area. So we're going to save that. And now we have it converted into polygon points. We have tile beacon. So now let's say that we want to create some other calendars, right? Because you have more than one service. We'll clone it. This is for beacon again. And this one will be for general install and quotes. General install, estimate, beacon. So now we have 3 different calendars, all for beacon, but not just beacon, the precise location of where you serve. Now what we need to do is we need to create these calendars. Create calendar. 3 calendars have been created. So let's just check and make sure that these calendars actually were created. So let's give this a little refresh. And there you have all of the 3 calendars that we created in our front end. Now what we're going to do is we are going to book an appointment, make sure this voice AI works.
Hello, and thank you for calling Nonstop Automation. I'm here to help you schedule your service today. Let me start by getting your name and just a couple pieces of information to check if we have you in our system already. May I have your name, please?
My name is Greg Kea. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Greg. Could I please have your phone number so I can look you up in our system?
Yep.
Thank you, Greg. And could I also get your email address, please? This will help me make sure I have the right information for you.
Yeah, Greg at nonstopautomation.com.
Thank you, Greg. Let's get your service scheduled. Could you please provide the complete address where you'd like the service performed? Street, city, state, and zip code, please. Thank you, Greg. Which type of service are you looking for today? Here are the options available. Tile fence, install, general install, unspecified, estimate, quote only.
All right, look, I want to redo my kitchen. I need some tiles.
Perfect, Greg. We can help you with your kitchen tile project. Here are some available time slots for the tile service at your address. Saturday, September 13th, 2025 at 8 a.m.
Can I have Wednesday at like noon?
Perfect. Your appointment is all set. You'll receive a confirmation from Nonstop Automation as well. Is there anything else I can help you with today, Greg?
No, have a lovely day. You've been absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Greg. It was a pleasure helping you today.
Now, let's make sure that it's actually on the calendar. Boom. So we have the right appointment at the right time and the right calendar. Now what we're going to do is we're going to call and we're going to reschedule the appointment.
Hello, and thank you for calling Nonstop Automation. I'm here to help you schedule your service today. Let me start by getting your name and just a couple pieces of information to check if we have you in our system already.
I'm Greg, but I just called and I need to just reschedule my appointment.
I'm here to help, and I understand things can be frustrating sometimes. Let's get your appointment rescheduled as quickly as possible. Could you please provide your phone number so I can look up your appointment details? I found your appointment in our system, service tile date and time, Wednesday, September 17th, 2025 at 12 p.m. Would you like to reschedule this appointment? If so, let me know your preferred new date or time, and I'll check our availability for you.
Yeah, I want to reschedule same time, Friday the 19th.
Thank you, Greg. Let me check if that slot is available for you. One moment while I confirm the availability. Your tile service appointment has been successfully rescheduled.
Booyah. We got the rescheduled appointment now on Friday. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cancel the appointment.
Hello, and thank you for calling Nonstop Automation. I'm here to help you schedule your service today. Let me start by getting your name and just a couple pieces of information to check if we have you in our system already.
I want to cancel my appointment.
Of course, I can help you with that. To locate your appointment, may I please have your name?
Greg.
Thank you, Greg. Could you please provide the phone number you used when booking your appointment? Greg, I found your appointment in our system. Would you like to cancel this appointment? Please confirm so I can proceed.
Yes.
Your appointment for tile on September 19th, 2025 at 12 p.m. has been successfully canceled. Is there anything else I can help you with today, Greg?
Nope,
If you
you're
need to
awesome.
reschedule or-
You're awesome. Thank you so much. Love you.
You're so kind. Thank you, Greg. If you ever need anything from Nonstop Automation, just let us know. Have a fantastic day.
Thank you. You too. Let's make sure the appointment is gone. And the appointment has vanished. That is only a little bit of what you can do. Well, that's basically all you can do for right now. The point is that it worked, and that's how it works. And I just wanted to show you, and that's it. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Later.